Hello, Brasser Bears. Today we are going to learn about the Brasser Way every day and how we can show responsibility both when we are remote learning at home and hybrid learning in school. We are particularly going to focus on the Brasser Way trait of responsibility. Showing responsibility when you are learning in school and at home has a lot of different ways that it looks. We're going to go through some right now. First thing, it's always responsible to raise your hand when you want to share. If you're on a Teams meeting, you can raise your hand using the Teams hand raise button or actually raise your hand. And when you're in class, you can also raise your hand. Completing your work also shows responsibility. When you're at home, that means getting yourself set up in a nice area of your house to get your work done. In class, it means trying your best and asking questions if you're unsure. Keeping a positive attitude is also very important both when you're at home and when you're at school. When you're asked to do work, it makes it so much better and more enjoyable when you put forth your best effort and get right to it. If you're unsure how to do something, rather than whining or complaining, grown-ups at home and grown-ups at school much would rather you raise your hand and ask questions because that shows you have a positive attitude and want to learn. Lastly, showing positive digital citizenship is huge. It's very important that when we are all using laptops to learn, that we show our best selves even when we're behind the screen. That means when you're in Schoology or on Teams chat, that you only type in positive things. Remember, everything that you type from your computer account can be traced right back to you. So make sure that if you're typing comments, that they're positive, that they're showing encouragement for another student, and that we never use mean or hurtful terms. This year at Brasser, we are all going to work towards goals. Our first goal is going to be for showing responsible behavior with our learning. Not only can your teachers give you a responsible shout out, your parents can also. In school, it will be in the form of a ticket. When you're at home learning, it'll be a virtual ticket. A grown-up will actually fill out a form that has your name on it to acknowledge all of the hard work and responsibility that you are showing. Our first Brasser goal, we're going to be working towards 1,000 tickets earned. And what is our goal? After those 1,000 tickets are reached, we will earn a school-wide dance party celebration. It'll look a little bit different than it has in the past, but it'll either take place in your classroom or on Teams if you're an at-home learner. You can do this, and we're going to have fun doing so. If you have questions about how to show responsible behavior, make sure you ask a grown-up or your teacher because everybody is happy to help. Thank you, and I hope we get to have our dance party soon.